Alright, here we are on Devblog number 5, and we've got a lot of new stuff this time. We're in the home stretch here for Screamortality. We've got less than 3 days left for our submission, and I hopefully by sometime tomorrow, I think we'll be feature complete and basically just working on bug fixes and refinements and everything. But you can see how close we are to that as we play through the new version. And so you may notice here we've got a new intro along with a new along with the real model for the level, which is the bed. And so I'm not entirely sure what's going on with that camera there. That's one thing I still have to debug, but hear that nice creepy sound effects there. That's Sam's work. And so yeah, you can see we got this is what the new level looks like. And you can also hear got some sound effects. So I think there may be an issue with the normals on the new level model, which is why the bugs are sometimes going upside down. Yeah, like I said, working on bug fixes for the last couple of days primarily. And yeah, this is a game. And there's the big spider coming at us. Yeah. And there's the big spider attacking us. Yeah. But yeah, so the models and sound effects are the main new things we've got going on here. And so yeah, we're going to be spending the next couple days refining all this and making it all look and play a little bit more consistent, a little bit better. And that's where we're at. We're pretty close to the end here. So thanks for watching. Check the link down below. We'll have a new alpha build up, which I'm about to build right now. And that's our update. Thanks.